Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I have a 2010 Ford Focus where the brake pedal, you can pump it up and then the pressure goes down, almost like it's got a bad master cylinder. But I'm going to show you what we came across. So when you have multiple issues, so as you can see right here, almost no pad back there, even though there's pad over here from a bad adjustment, you're way below 50%. I mean, look at how big of a pad it's supposed to be there. If I can get this to focus. So yeah, this is being an issue. Like I said, you can pump it up, but if you leave your foot on there, it sinks down. Almost no pad up here, very little. So you have two issues right there. And then the other issue we have with this is the brake fluid. I'll show you what I'm talking about here in 1 second. And last but not least, if we look down in here at that fluid, it's very hard for me to get. It doesn't look like brake fluid. That is completely contaminated fluid. And so we could test this. Stick it in there. Oof. That's pretty bad when they all light up. Yep. So, and you can get these little doodads off of eBay, like $3. Totally worth it. Batteries not included, obviously. But, so when you factor in all that stuff, you will have a low brake pedal. So all we're gonna do is flush all this out. Basically we're going to suck out what's in here, this way nothing else goes down in there, and we're just going to run it through the system. We're going to probably fill this thing up like 3 or 4 times, pedal bleed everything. First we'll do the pads on the front, we'll put shoes on the back, we'll put new wheel cylinders in the rear. I always do wheel cylinders with the shoes only because if you just do the shoe itself, it pushes in the wheel cylinder and then the trash from the brake dust gets up in there and it causes the wheel cylinder to leak, so you have to bring it back out. Once I started doing wheel cylinders and shoes as a pair, I've had no issues. I almost always try to sell drums with it as a complete set, because I haven't had great luck turning drums. But I didn't do drums on these only because they're the bearing style. So they have, like, you have to unbolt them, which if you want to know what size that is, it is a 30 millimeter. So yeah, and I will show you guys where we are on the brake pedal. Let me grab a flashlight. I'll show you guys where we are at the end of it. So right now, this is with the car not running. It just goes all the way down. It's got a little bit of resistance, and I can kind of pump it up, but it's still going all the way down. I'll show you what it's like once everything's done. So here's the finished product. That is as far as I can get with the vehicle off. So, and that was flushing almost a half a gallon of fluid out of this thing, shoes, wheel cylinders, front brake pads, and we were all good. So when you have all that stuff, it adds up. So always check that stuff before you just jump on the master cylinder, because these are not easy master cylinders to do. Check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, keep wrenching.